On 23, you want to get the variable by itself, so this is minus 3/5. So I will add 3/5. That means I have to add 3/5 on the other side. It's kind of small writing there. So the common denominator is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So that 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So 3 times 3 is 9. Hope you can read that. Let's make it a little bit larger. So our denominator is 15. And we're adding here positive 1/3 and positive 3/5. So we're adding this 5 and 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So, and over here we have our equals. And this is gone and we have an x. So x equals 14 over 15. Number 25, excuse me, we're doing the, well, we'll see, what property is it when you take the outside and you times it by everything inside? That's the distributive. 5 times 2, that's 10, so it's 10a, plus 5 times 5 is 25b. And that is it. 10a plus 25b. So take the outside times each one inside. And that's the answer. You cannot combine those together because they're not like terms. You can multiply unlike terms, but you cannot add or subtract them. Okay, at the top of your paper, factoring, number 27. Let's see, what does each of these terms, this is a term and that's a term, what do they have in common? A 7. So I'll write down 7. Now I'm going to put parentheses. And there's a plus in the center, so I'll put a plus there. 7 times something is 7x. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times something is 7y. 7 times y is 7y. So it's the distributive property backwards. And this is called factoring, which you'll do a lot next year. Okay, number 29, here's the expression, and we're writing down, we're basically labeling everything. What is the variable? Well, the variable is the letter there, a. What is the exponent? The exponent's a number above the variable. That is a 5. The constant. The constant, let's see, is it 4 or is it 9? It's 9. It's the number all by itself. And the coefficient, that's the number right next to the variable. Number 31, what property is it that's displayed here? Let's see, 7 times 4 equals 4 times 7. It looks like we just moved things around. We changed the order. We moved it around. What property is that? I'll abbreviate. It's commutative. Commutative, and we're multiplying, so it's commutative of multiplication. So I have a 1a, a positive 3a, and a positive 4a. 1, 3, and 4. If I add that together, how many a's do I have? 1 and 3 makes 4, and 4 makes 8. 8 a's. And then I just have plus 6. And that's it. You cannot put these together. These are, you could, but you'd be wrong. These are unlike terms. You cannot add unlike terms. Okay, simplify. Oops, where am I at? Number 35, simplify. Well, we have a double negative. That's a big plus. So I have a negative 49 and a positive 18. So put those together, 49 and 18. They're different. So since they're opposite, I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 49 take away 18. See, I'll just put an 18 underneath here. 49 take away 18 is 31. And there's more negatives, so the answer is negative. It's negative 31. Number 37, let's see, I have 42. I have two negative numbers, so I'll put those together. Negative 3 and negative 6 is negative 9. Remember, they're the same sign, you add them. So I have negative 9, and I have a 42. 42 minus 9. They're different signs, so subtract them. 42 take away 9 is 30 what? 33. And is there more negative or more positive here? There's more positive. So the answer is positive. 42 take away 9 is just 33. Positive 33. Okay, number 39, 4 to the third. That is 4 times 4 times 4. Now this is 16. So I have 16 times 4. And if you can multiply that, if you can't multiply it sideways, then stack it and multiply it that way. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, so it's 64. 64 is the answer.